That's what happens in Destination Delicious sometimes.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the show. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy, and I gotta say, new state, almost new us.
New inspiration.
We are crushing our adventures. Like we've been out more in the past couple of weeks than we have in the past couple of months.
Yeah.
But it's so beautiful here. We can't not. There's all the lakes and the beautiful trees and the hikes and
the mountains.
But it gets dark really early.
Super early.
So we've already night hiked, basically trying to get back to the Jeep one time.
A little bit inadvertently.
And when we get back, I like to have pre-made meals. Easy that we can just pull out of the fridge, put on the griddle, yummy, tasty, and warm. And so that's what I'm making for you today. It's not pre-made, we're gonna do the whole thing, but it is one of my favorites, and I'm going to be griddling for you some Stromboli.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
To get us started, I'm going to pre-cook our meats on the griddle. What this does is really kind of reduces the amount of grease that's gonna be inside of our Stromboli roll. So I'm gonna get some pepperonis down first and cook them up. These are only gonna just take a minute or two. Plus, it adds a little bit of texture with the crispy pepperonis and meat. You can see those crisping up nicely over there. It's gonna be a quick on and a quick off. While the pepperonis are finishing up, I'm gonna get a couple slices of meat down. I am using a black forest ham. These pepperonis should be almost ready. I'm gonna start to take them off. And I'm gonna get a couple more slices of ham down. The best part of the Stromboli is layers. Lots of yummy ham and cheese layers. I am going to pat our pepperoni down a little bit just to get some of that excess grease off. Our ham slices are looking like they are nice and golden, so I'm gonna get those off the griddle now. So I've got a really nice flaky pastry roll, and what I love is this one's already pre-rolled. And it is time to start layering. I'm going to start our first layer with our ham slices. And you really just go straight down the middle of the pastry. Then I'm going to do a layer of mozzarella. Add cheese and ham and pepperoni slices as desired. And then we've got our provolone cheese, and then we're gonna just repeat it. Some of us like a lot of cheese.
Some of us don't.
We roll it right on up. Bring this side over. Make sure that they overlap well. You're gonna fold your ends over. Next, I'm going to just baste it in some nice melted butter right before we get that down.
Get a nice crispy golden brown
nice flaky
crust.
I've got the griddle set to low. It's raining.
In case you didn't notice, we got some rain coming.
I'm just gonna butter the top to get that ready for when we flip it over. Welcome to Washington. All right, our pastry is ready to be flipped.
Oh yeah.
That looks beautiful.
That's perfect.
While the bottom part cooks, we are going to just add a little bit more of that melted butter and then sprinkle it with some Parmesan.
Just singing in the rain.
Please stand by, we've got a studio move.
What's looking under there? Pretty good.
I think we're about ready. A little bit of parsley as a garnish. And then for dipping, we will have some pizza sauce. Now it is time to slice this up. I like to slice it into some strips. Look at those layers. Ready?
One of our favorites.
Yeah, it's definitely one of our favorites. It's perfection.
And the best part about making this on the griddle is that the bread gets that, or the pastry gets that nice crispy outer layer on it.
There's like no cleanup. It's so easy.
Yeah.
We love this because you can make it in the morning, set it up, keep it in your refrigerator, and then when you get home, just pull it out, pop it on your griddle, and it's done in minutes. It's delicious.
Yeah.
This is a win-win, and you should definitely give it a go and try it at home for your family.
Thank you guys for watching. We always appreciate you tuning in. Check out blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Subscribe and ring the bell on the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the great videos from any of the great cooks.
Like Betty, Bruce, Matt, Todd, CJ, Nate, and us.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.
Hopefully a little bit drier.